Hermes Agent runs on your own machine. It executes multi-step tasks across your files and the web, and it never sends a single token to a cloud server. In this video, you will learn how to fix the one setting that breaks almost every Hermes plus Ollama setup, install Hermes itself, connect it to a local model, and confirm the whole thing actually works. Step 1. Install Ollama and fix its context window. Run the one-line installer shown on screen. Give it a minute, then check the version to confirm it installed. Here is the part that catches almost everyone. Ollama defaults to just 4,000 tokens of context. Hermes needs at least 64,000 tokens, because every tool call and its output has to stay in that window for the agent to reason correctly. Skip this fix, and Hermes starts forgetting what it just did after only 3 or 4 tool calls. The most reliable fix is a model file. First, pull the model shown here. That's a solid starting model for machines with 8 GB of RAM. Then create the model file you see on screen and run the build command below it to bake that context setting permanently into a new model variant. Step 2. Install Hermes Agent itself. One command handles every dependency: Python, Node, ripgrep, and browser automation for web tasks. Run the installer on screen. It takes 2 to 5 minutes depending on your connection. Reload your shell, then run the doctor command. Every dependency should show a green check mark before you move on. Step 3. Point Hermes at your local model. Run the interactive setup command shown here. Choose custom endpoint and enter the local address on screen. Skip the API key field. Ollama does not need one. Then type your model name exactly as it appears in your model list. One detail matters here. Set the context length explicitly in the config file, matching the value shown, so it lines up with the model file you built in step 1. Without this, Hermes can query the wrong context value and overflow mid-session. Step 4. First run and verification. Launch the interface using the command on screen. The startup banner shows your model name and context size. Confirm both look right before continuing. Now test it with something that needs several steps in a row: searching the web, summarizing the results, and saving them to a file. If Hermes finishes that chain without losing track partway through, your context window is configured correctly and the agent is ready for real work. And that's it. A fully local, autonomous agent running for free on your own hardware with zero data leaving your machine. The full written guide goes further, setting up soul.md so Hermes remembers who you are across sessions, and connecting it to Telegram or Discord so you can send it tasks straight from your phone. That guide with every single command is linked in the description below. Subscribe to our free newsletter for daily AI tool updates.